Every day is a good day to buy Bitcoin.
Have you ever stopped to think that selling Bitcoin at the top of the cycle and buying back cheaper could be the best strategy? Many people believe in this, but today I'm going to show you how this idea, which seems so smart, can actually jeopardize your wealth. Currently, Bitcoin is around $105,000 and might break the historic $110,000 mark. However, this approach has already caused significant losses to numerous investors. Let's uncover why this thinking is flawed. Who hasn't thought, I'll sell at the peak, wait for a drop, and buy back at a lower price? That way, I'll accumulate more Bitcoin and reach financial independence. It sounds perfect, right? But the truth is, this is an emotional trap. The big problem is that the market is unpredictable. We have no way of knowing where the highs or lows are. Let me give you a practical example to illustrate. Suppose Bitcoin is trading at $102,000. You decide to sell because you believe it will drop to $80,000. But instead, the price rises to $110,000. Then $120,000, and finally hits $150,000. In this scenario, you panic and buy back at $150,000 after selling at $102,000. What was the result? You ended up with less Bitcoin than you had at the start. And even if the price eventually falls to the $80,000 you expected, the damage has already been done. Bitcoin is not an asset designed for short-term gains. It's a financial innovation, a transformation that could take decades to fully consolidate. That's why the hold strategy, that is buying and holding for the long term, is so powerful. By holding onto your Bitcoin, you avoid mistakes caused by emotions and bad timing. You start betting on the growth potential of the technology, the increasing scarcity due to halving, and its impact on the market. Of course, holding is not an easy task. During downturns, you will face negative news, general pessimism, and even personal doubts. But it's important to remember that Bitcoin's fundamentals remain strong. Look at what happened in 2018. Bitcoin dropped from nearly $20,000 to $3,000. Many investors panicked and sold. However, those who held on saw the price explode in the following years, surpassing $60,000. While this is not a guarantee that Bitcoin will always rise, history shows that those who think long-term usually fare better. So here's the main point. The Bitcoin game is for those with patience. Every fraction you sell today could be exactly what you'll regret missing in the future when Bitcoin hits new highs. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more detailed analysis and stay updated on everything happening in this financial revolution.